Tinaguri ang time bomb sa larangan ng Philippine boxing mga bro dahil sa lakas ng mga suntok nito. Ang matangkad at tigasing Pinoy boxer na nakikipagbakbakan sa super lightweight division. Tubong Valencia City, Bukidnon na si Alvin Lagumbay. Matapos makamit ni Lagumbay mga bro ang dalawang magkakasunod na panalo dito sa Pinas, nabigyan nito ng pagkakataon lumaban sa ibang bansa. Dumayo ang team ni Lagumbay sa Dubai upang sagupayin ng naghahamon at maangas na German boxer na si Atilia Kabayasi na binansagang The Rock dahil sa malaki at matigas na bato-batong katawan nito. Talagang naging usapin sa mundo ng boxing mga bro ang Pinoy time bomb na si Lagumbay nang nakipagsabayan ito ng malalakas na suntok kontra sa Japanese champion na si Keita Obara na nagresulta sa controversial na pagkabagsak nilang dalawa. Ngunit naunang tumayo ang Pinoy na si Lagumbay at nakamit ang panalo. Hindi ito basta-bastang kalaban si Kabayasi mga bro dahil sa pagsabak nito sa pro boxing, nakamit kaagad nito ang 10 magkakasunod na panalo. Kaya tara na mga bro, panoorin natin kung paano pinabagsak ng Pinoy time bomb na si Lagumbay ang bato-batong The Rock na pambato ng Germany na si Atilia Kabayasi. Ang Pinoy time bomb na si Lagumbay mga bro ay may record na 13 wins, 5 losses at 11 knockouts, habang si Kabayasi naman ay may record na 11 wins, 4 losses at 7 knockouts sa bakbakan na naganap sa Conrad, Dubai. Sa panimula ng unang round mga bro, mapapansin natin dito ang laki at bato-batong katawan ng German boxer.
Orthodox. Lagumbay he's a very rangy fighter. You can see the length of his jab.
Yes, he has a very long jab, but he got to utilize it.
He's got a great way of piercing the guard, and this guy, I've seen this guy in his last fight. He showed some incredible heart against a fighter called Nicky Bascom.
Oh yeah.
And Bascom beat him on point. Incredible heart against a fighter called Nicky Bascom.
Oh yeah.
And Bascom beat him on points, but not before doing some great damage. I mean, did some incredible damage. He fought against a rangy fighter in Keita Obara and landed a brutal hook that dropped. Both had the hardest shot and put him down.
Wow.
It was 2 hooks at one time. Both fighters went down. Good head movement by the German.
The German is a slick fighter. He's dangerous, man.
He's slick and he's packs a mean power in his hooks.
Tumama mga bro ang solidong straight na binitawan ng Pinoy time bomb na si Lagumbay sa mukha ng German champion. Ngunit parang wala lang ito kay Kabayasi. Kaya nang dahil dito mga bro, sinubukang atakihin ng ating pambato na si Lagumbay ang matigas na bodega ni Kabayasi.
He's complaining. Was that a low blow, Chill? You tell me.
I didn't see it from the angle.
Man, it's just the first round, and this is an 8-round fight. If Lagumbay is just going to take to the body all night long, first round, and this is an 8-round fight. If Lagumbay is just going to take to the body all night long, I don't think this fight is going the distance. Oh my God, Jesus!
Well, you gotta watch out for that hook, man.
Oh, he's always going to watch out for the left hook because Lagumbay has been dropped in the past.
Yeah, but the German don't like the body shots.
No, he doesn't like the body. And Lagumbay knows this. He's purposely getting after him, but he can't become too predictable.
Yes.
Because if just like that, until I can time him coming in.
He working that body though. He working that body. But remember, the first 3 rounds are the deadly rounds.
And remember we spoke about the fact that he doesn't really set up his strikes with the jab. He stands more square in front of you. And he has mean hooks. If he lands those hooks, you're going to sleep. That's for sure.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
He has mean hooks. If he lands those hooks, you're going to sleep. That's for sure.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
But what a great fight so far. Lagumbay is showing his experience as a, and this is why I love when champions fight. It just shows that championship experience. Because they've been through a lot to get to where they are today. Again.
Oh, yeah, be careful on all the shots. After he throw the combination, he need to move his head.
Oh my God! See, look, now he's afraid of the body. Okay, Lagumbay ate a big right hand for his trouble. Wow!
This is exciting.
God.
Sa round 2 naman mga bro, desidido talagang palambutin ni Lagumbay itong matigas na German habang nahihirapan ng German boxer na si Kabayasi depensa ng atake ng Pinoy time bomb.
but he needs to be careful with those body shots. Again, beautiful left hook by Kayabasi. Shows a good effort, but you know when a fighter has his hands so low, it's usually a sign of his body being hurt badly. Oh! Big left hook over the top. Man, both these guys, you got to be in incredible shape to take that kind of punishment.
Oh, they're most definitely in shape. They're in shape. But then again, we got 8 rounds, right?
You got 8 rounds to go, but another completely. God, that left hand, he's catching the body again punishing the body. But Kayabasi now making work for it. Started opening up in the second. Again, there you go. Oh, he's out.
That's it.
Wow! No, it's not over. Referee giving him a standing count. Oh man, no, this fight is over though. Oh my goodness, 10 count.
I'm done, man.
No, you know what? He's still in it. Oh, but his hands are low. He's hurt.
This referee should stop.
Now stop the fight now.
Yeah.
It's done. It's done.
That's it, bro.
It's done.
That's enough, bro.
Now come on.
That's enough, bro.
It's done. Now he's just taking damage at this
That's
point.
enough. Yeah.
But if he can, it's too much time. He's got a minute 37 left in this round. He's taking too much damage. And Lagumbay's got a gas tank on him. He's still there. He's still in it.
Come on.
No. This is where the point is where the referee going to make a decision. Okay, time up. Man, what hard by Kayabasi. He's taking a beating, but he's not. His feet are no longer under him anymore.
No, exactly. They're not.
He's all over the place, and Lagumbay's just getting tired punching him.
I know, right? If he lands this round, no, listen.
Oh my God! Oh, now that's done.
Yeah.
Now that's done. I think it needs to stop at this part. The referee's looking at the corner is looking to throw in that towel. Almost in there. Come on! Yes. Oh my God! The corner is thrown in the towel.
Mula sa mabilis na kombinasyon na binitawan nila Gumbay mga bro, talagang nahilot na saktan ng German champion. Kaya nang dahil dito, inawat na ng referee ang laban upang hindi na mapahamak pa ang pambato ng Germany. Nakamit nila Gumbay mga bro ang panalo sa pamamagitan ng technical knockout sa round 2. Salamat sa inyong suporta mga bro at sa susunod nating mga videos.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.